You're hiking with your friends in the forest when you suddenly see a beautiful castle on top of the hill. It's probably abandoned, but you're intrigued and decide to see what's inside. You're tired anyway, so a little rest time won't hurt. The moment you enter the castle, the heavy gates behind you shut close. Maybe it was just the wind. You walk up the staircase, and in front of you stands a young couple. Only they're ghosts. The ghosts tell you that all the gates inside the castle had been locked by evil spirits, and the only way out is to play their wicked game of riddles. Do you have it in you to escape? The first room you find yourself in is the throne room. A message appears in the mirror. Which is heavier, a ton of bricks or a ton of feathers? Answer this correctly and a door will open. Well, they both weigh a ton, so they weigh the same. Feathers might seem lighter than the bricks, but a ton is still a ton. I hope you got this one correct, because this is just the beginning. Let's move on to the next chamber. Look, another message. This one says, if you were running a race and you passed the person in second place, what place would you be in now? Don't rush, think carefully. This time you're presented with 4 different choices. That makes it easier, or does it? If you answered 1, 3, or 4, you've just let the evil ghost inside. Quick, close the door. Your first instinct was to choose the first door, wasn't it? The correct answer is actually 2. Say you're running and trying to take over the person in second place. That means you're initially in third place. Once you take them over, you yourself are now in second place. This question was designed to trick you. I hope you didn't fall for it. Okay, the door is now open. Let's go to the next room. The riddles are getting progressively harder. This time, you have to figure out the next number in the sequence. You've got 5, followed by 8, then 21, then 80. What's the next number? Here are your choices. I hope you didn't choose the first, the second, or the last door. Those will take you straight to the evil ghosts. If you answered 395, you've survived another riddle. Let's figure out the pattern. If you take the first number, the 5, multiply it by 2, then subtract 2 from it, you get 8. We do the same with 8, except instead of multiplying by 2, we multiply by 3 and subtract 3, since the answer occupies the third row. 8 times 3 minus 3 is 21. Next, 21 times 4 minus 4 because it sits in the fourth row. 21 times 4 is 84. 84 minus 4 equals 80. So our unknown will be equal to 80 times 5 minus 5. 80 times 5 is 400, and 400 minus 5 equals 395. Thank goodness for that math whiz in your group, right? Contrary to the previous brain teaser, this one seems ridiculously easy. It goes like this. If there are 3 oranges and you take away 2, how many oranges do you have? What is this, kindergarten? Oh, but read the words carefully. Similar to the running riddle, this one is designed to trick you. So which door do you choose? I hope no one chose 0 or -1. But if you answered 1, you're still joining the evil ghosts. The answer is 2. Are you confused? Let me explain. The question asks, if you take away 2 oranges, how many do you have? Not how many do you have left? And in your hands, you have 2 oranges. It's all about that fine print. Let's see what the next riddle is. 1 equals 3, 2 equals 3, 3 equals 5, 4 equals 4, 5 equals 4, and 6 equals... Does this make sense to anyone? Your choices are 2, 3, 4, or 5. Which door will take you to freedom? Not the door with the 2, the 4, or the 5. The correct answer is 3. This is not a number sequence like the one we've encountered before. For this one, you need to think outside the box, or rather, outside the numbers. Kind of. The numbers to the right of the equal sign actually represent the number of letters in the word form of each digit. 1, spelled O-N-E, has 3 letters. 2, T-W-O, has 3 letters. 3 has 5 letters, 4 has 4 letters, and 5 has 4 letters. Therefore, the number corresponding to 6 is 3. S-I-X, 3 letters. Quick, solve this equation in 2 seconds. Did you manage? If you failed, don't worry, you'll soon learn the trick to answer this in literally 2 seconds. But out of these 4 choices, what's your pick? I sure hope it wasn't 3, 6, or 12. It's 9. I'm sure given more time, you would have figured out the answer anyway, but how on earth are you supposed to solve it in such a short time? Well, here's the trick. To find the product of 2 numbers with the same base, add the exponents. To find the quotient of 2 numbers with the same base, subtract the exponent of the denominator from the exponent of the numerator. So 3 to the power of 4 divided by 3 to the power of 2 is equivalent to 3 to the power of 4 minus 2 in brackets. 4 minus 2 is 2, and 3 to the power of 2 is 9. If you learn to quickly do the calculations on the exponents, you can save yourself so much time doing tedious math. So tell me, 3 to the power of 1000 divided by 3 to the power of 998 is? Good job! It's 9. I think we're almost at the exit. What you see in front of you is a matchstick riddle. The objective is to correct this equation by moving one matchstick and replacing it somewhere else in the equation. Which matchstick do you move? If you move the top vertical matchstick from the 5 and shift it to the right, you can make it a 3. Now the equation reads 3 plus 4 equals 7, which works perfectly. One last door. What's this? It's a note. It says, the sum of your answers will give you the answer. Do you know what that means? The sum of your answers. Could it be... A ton is 1000. Second place is 2. 395. 2 oranges. 3 letters. 9. And 3, the corrected matchstick number. Should we add them up? Who's good at mental math? Did you get 1414? Let's punch those numbers on the keypad. 1, 4, 1, 4. Yes, it worked! You made it out! It's good to have some fresh air and sunlight. Think twice next time before entering an abandoned building, or you might just find yourself racking your brain trying to get out. I hope you learned something new, I hope you had fun, and I hope you always stay brainy. Subscribe and like for more videos like these. See you soon!